Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. The first 10 questions deal with a passage. The passage is all about water pollution, a lengthy passage, but many questions are based on statistical information, statistical data. All that you have to do, navigate, and you should be able to locate. And once you locate the statistical data, then you have the answer. The first question: the degradation of natural resources will necessarily lead to. At the beginning of the passage, it has been mentioned poor economic utilization of resources. Based on that, the answer is the first option. And one of the features of this particular passage or the questions, though the questions are based on explicit information, they have not used the same terminology. For example, three-fourths. For three-fourths, in the question, they used 75%. That way, it is a bit difficult, but once you understand that, easy to answer many questions. Let us go to question number two. According to NERI, the extent of water pollution in the Dal Lake is grim. 70% of total water available in the country is polluted. Only 217 out of 3,119 towns and cities have sewage treatment facilities. All the 14 major rivers of India are highly polluted. Answer is the second option, again explicit information. 70% of total water available in the country is polluted, mentioned at the beginning of the passage. Question number three. Municipal sewage pollutants account for the lowest percentage of water pollution, 75% of the Ganga's water pollution load, twice the volume of the wastewater of industrial origin, three times as much as the discharge from the agricultural fields. Answer is the second option, 75% of the Ganga's water pollution load. Again, explicit information. Question number four. Which of the following statements is correct? The river Periyar is in South India. The river Periyar is the largest river of Kerala. The river Gomti is also extremely polluted. All of the above are correct. Answer is the fourth option. All of the above are correct. Again mentioned in the passage clearly. Question number five. The cost of the Clean the Ganga Pollution Project Action Plan is likely to be sourced from. This also clearly mentioned in the passage. The Indian Exchequer, France, UK, US, and the Netherlands, the World Bank, Poland, UK, the US, UK, Netherlands, Poland, France, the World Bank, and India. All these are going to contribute. Based on that, the answer is the fourth option. Again, explicit question. Question number six. Which of the following statements made by the World Health Organization is correct? Waterborne diseases account for 80% of all diseases prevalent in India. Waterborne diseases in India create a loss of rupees 600 crores every year. Only one is correct. Both 1 and 2 are correct. None of the above. Answer is the fourth option. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Again, statistical data and also explicit information. Question number 7. Considerable amounts of metal pollutants are found in the rivers Chambal of Rajasthan, Rishikula in Orissa, Damodar, Hooghly, Krishna, and Gomti, Ganga, Yamuna, Kali, Hindon, Kaveri, and Kapila. Answer is again the fourth option clearly mentioned in the passage. All that you have to do navigate and locate, then you can answer. Answer for the seventh question is the fourth option. Question number 8. The crisis of drinking water is caused chiefly by the greenhouse effect, water pollution caused by industrial development, drying up of water sources, and overpumping. These two have been mentioned in the passage. Based on that, answer is the third option, drying up of water sources and over pumping. Question number 9. The best remedy for water shortage lies in putting up more pumps in rural areas, cleaning up polluted water. The best remedy for water shortage lies in second option is the answer, cleaning up polluted water. Putting up more pumps in rural areas, no. Reducing the waste level, no. Constructing large sized dams, no. Answer is the second option, cleaning up polluted water. Question number 10. Out of the total outlay for water supply and sanitation in the seventh plan, rural water supply sector would receive about 53%. Here you have to do a bit of calculation. Then, based on that, it is not over 80%. Between 65 and 80, not correct. 44.7. It is, answer is the first option, 53%. The next five questions deal with parajumble. A bit difficult to get the correct order, but you can identify the pairs of sentences. Here, political accountability, again, political accountability. And these two deal with types of parliamentary system and arbitrary and authoritarian. Finally, an independent idea that deals with managerial accountability. The first sentence is E. Political accountability requires the actions of politicians or public officials, whether they be administrative, ethical, or financial, to be open to inspection, scrutiny, and challenge. The second sentence, obviously, it should be D. Political accountability is a hallmark of responsible and representative government. These two go with first one and second one. The third sentence is C. Regimes in which rulers cannot be held to account either by representatives or by judges are called arbitrary and authoritarian. And after that, in parliamentary systems, ministers are held to account through oral and written questions. B is the fourth one. And the last sentence, managerial accountability, whether in the public or the private sector, similarly requires. So, continuity of thought, it is EDCBA. This is a correct order. A bit difficult to get the correct order. 16 to 20, I suppose, or 16 to 25. I'll read the instructions. In each of the questions given below, a sentence is given which is divided into five parts. It is then followed by five options which give the sequence of the correct parts. Choose the option which gives the correct sequence of the grammatically correct parts. If all the parts are grammatically correct, choose option 5 as the correct choice. I want to assure all cane farmers that the government is sensitive of their problems and we are committed to sort out their troubles with all the commitment and promptness. Now you have to find out the part which has an error, and without that part, if you get the correct sequence, here options are given, you should select one of them. Here, there is an error in the second part. The government is sensitive of their problems is not correct to their problems. I want to assure all cane farmers that the government is sensitive to their problems. That means what? You need an option without the letter B. B is here, B is here, B is here. So answer is obviously A, C, D, E. Second option is the answer. Question number 17. He said that to clean up the air and ease congestion, the government was building expressways under Delhi, in Delhi, not under Delhi. He said that reporting verb said, here it is in past, no problem. He said that to clean up the air and ease congestion, the government was building expressways in Delhi. So E is not correct. Only one option without E, that is the answer. Question number 18. For admission to honors in any language program, an advantage of 2% in the best four will be given to those applicants who have studied, not has studied, have studied. There is an error in C. C is here, C is here, C is here. Obviously, the answer is the third option. In order to ensure transparency and monitoring of any untoward incidents, measures have taken to webcast. Here it should be in passive voice. Measures have taken, not correct. Measures have been taken. Measures have been taken. Present perfect passive voice. There is an error in C. C, C. Only one option without C. Second option is the answer. Much of the discourse on prison conditions, much of the discourse on prison conditions stops short of a practical agenda for major reforms. Much of the discourse on what on prison conditions, singular, stops short of, no problem, a practical agenda for major reforms. Answer is the fifth option, no error. While one reason cited is a paucity of resources, the other is about a mindset that those in jail does not deserve better. Those, plural pronoun, you cannot use does. Those in jail do not deserve better. There is an error in D. D is here, D is here, D is here. Answer is the third option, A, B, C, E. Question number 22. Except for a few studies done outside India, most of the material on the subject is superficial, to put up it mildly. To put it up. Put up is a phrasal verb. Whenever you have, this is an important question. Whenever you have to use a pronoun with a phrasal verb, do remember the pronoun comes between the verb and the preposition. So put it up. Except for a few studies done outside India, most of the material on the subject is superficial. To put it up mildly. To put up it is not correct. To put it up mildly. That means what? E has an error. E is here, E is here, E is here. Answer is the fourth option. 23. In prisons across the world, overcrowding, brutality, a lack of sanitation, and unacceptable standards of health care are standard. In prisons across the world, no problem. Overcrowding, different qualities or different aspects. Overcrowding, brutality, a lack of sanitation. Usually we don't say lack of sanitation. We say lack of sanitation. We don't say a lack of sanitation. And unacceptable standards of health, they are standard. Here there is an error in B. B is here, B is here, again B is here. There's only one option without B. Answer is the third option. Though the key says the fifth option, answer is the third option because we don't say a lack of sanitation, we say lack of sanitation. In prisons across the world, overcrowding, no problem. Brutality, no problem with the word brutality. Lack of sanitation, answer is the third option. There is also no liberal mindset anywhere to set the ball rolling on how we could introduce clemency in incarceration. There is also no liberal mindset anywhere to set the ball rolling. The context is not a familiar context. There is also no liberal mindset anywhere to set the ball rolling on how we could introduce clemency in incarceration. No need of could. how we can introduce clemency in incarceration. There is an error in D. How many options with D? Ruled out, ruled out, ruled out. Answer is the second option, A, B, C, E. We see this happen in America where there appears to be blind public frenzy without a thought being given to the truth, being established by rigorous research and a recognition that draconian punishment does not necessarily deter a determined or an impulsive offender. Determine is not correct. It should be in the adjective form. Offender, noun. Impulsive, and here it should be determined offender. Determined or impulsive offender. Means what? There's an error in E. E, ruled out, ruled out, ruled out. Answer is the first option, obviously. If you read carefully, you can answer all the 10, absolutely no problem. The next set, the questions deal with double fillers. No, you see two sentences, each sentence with a blank, and you see five words. You have to select one of the words which goes with both the sentences. This is sync model. If I receive service in a restaurant, I generally will not return to that establishment. I will not return to that establishment. But that means what? Something negative. Only then you don't return to that establishment or to that restaurant. You need a negative word. The context is negative. I hope the medicine is not causing you to be sleepy and whatever the word. Healthy service, positive word. Filthy means dirty, but dirty doesn't go with service. It goes with things. Lackadaisical means not enthusiastic. Flabbergasted means surprised, overwhelmed. It is a positive word. Hackneyed means ridiculed. But here, ridiculed service is not correct. Hackneyed also means a repeated expression. Hackneyed expressions means same expression said many a time. Here it is lackadaisical service in a restaurant. Means what? Not enthusiastic, without any enthusiasm. I hope the medicine is not causing you to be sleepy and lackadaisical. Answer is the third option. 27. There are passages in the system, but it is now rapidly becoming a major thoroughfare. Though these reasons were very insufficient and no one made any rejoinder, there are pinnacle passages. We don't use the word pinnacle. Pinnacle means the top, the peak, the apex. Bewildered means confused, perplexed. Doesn't go with passages. You need a word that goes with passages. Exasperated means annoyed. Exasperate, irritate, or annoy. Doesn't go with passages. Amaze passages. Amazing, amaze. It's a verb. You cannot use a verb here. Obscure passages. This is the right word. There are obscure passages, not known, vague, difficult to understand, obscure passages in the system. But it is now rapidly becoming a major thoroughfare. Though these reasons were very insufficient and obscure, no one made any rejoinder. Answer is the fifth option. 28. He had the imagination that invested with personal being and ethical qualities the most notions. This investigation was first published in 1824 and in and difficult form. Question number 28. He had the imagination that invested with personal being and ethical qualities the most abstruse notions. Abstruse, whimsical, violent, tranquil, moderate. Answer is the second option. Whimsical, whims and fancies based on emotions without any rationality. We use the idiomatic expression whims and fancies, whimsical attitude, whimsical behavior, violent, not relevant, tranquil, peaceful, not relevant, moderate, not relevant. Question number 29. Moreover, his attention was engaged on studies which ultimately led to his doctrine of heat. While possessing considerable gifts of mind and a fund of energy, latent heat, hidden. Latent means hidden, to have the potential. Vague heat, no. Opaque, no. Obvious, evident, no. Stigmatic. Stigma means something like a particular community. People don't interact with them and they try to prohibit or put a stamp saying that they should not be interacted with. Stigma. There is a stigma on certain professions and also on certain communities. Here, latent heat, a typical combination, but let us see the second sentence. While possessing considerable gifts of mind and a latent fund of energy, answer is the first option. 30. I'm sure God has forgiven their little transgressions, and the two of them are for their actions. At the airport, the meter registers £9, and of course, he had said 6 or 7. I have a sense now of his feeling somewhat, or perhaps only abashed, pardoning their for their actions. Grammatically not correct. Contrary to, it should take. Hold this one. Trite. Alleged actions. No. Answer is the third option. Questions 31 to 40, I suppose. Closed test, all about education. Universalization, education, universalizing education issues. Draws, involves, brings, relates, covers. Involves, answer is the second option. Universalizing education involves issues of both distributive justice and quality, while the former suggestions, worries, concerns, while the former concerns taking education to marginalized communities, the latter asks 32. The third option is the answer. While the former concerns deals with taking education to marginalized communities, the latter asks what counts as meaningful education, what takes, gives, ensures, what counts as meaningful education. Answer is the first option. 34. It is a possibility that these groups will end up with restricted opportunities and outcomes, mitigates, lessen, higher, diminished, lower. Question number 34. Diminished outcomes. Answer is the fourth option. 35. It is with this aim that India brought, approved, enacted. It should be the third option, stating, bringing. No, enacted the right of children. It is with this aim that India enacted. 35, third option. 36. According to the 2011 census, the average literacy rates of people aged above 15 among scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are about 9% and 17.4% less than the average less than the average. What is the right word? Global average, overall average, world average, domestic, national average. Answer is the fifth option. 37. This difference to 23%. Decreased, increased, increases, decreases, none of these. This difference increases to 23% and 23.5% among the SCs and STs respectively. Answer is the third option, increases to. Indicating the double discrimination challenged by or faced by, obviously it should be faced by Dalit and Adivasi women. Answer is the second option. 39. Of course, there is a wide what? There is a wide gap, variation, distinction, difference, variation, track. Twice we cannot use variation. By mistake, they must have given this word. There is a wide variation is the actual sentence. Of course, there is a wide variation. 40. Wide variation across states, and the gap is wider in rural areas as compared to urban. But these statistics suggest significant inequalities in the distribution of, in the delivery distribution, allotment, distribution of educational opportunities. Why the words are getting repeated? In the distribution of educational opportunities. Distribution is the right word. Some problem 39 and 40. Let us go to the next five questions. I suppose synthesis. You see two sentences and five conjunctions. You have to choose the right word. 41. The temperature felt more like November. The calendar claimed the month was May. Contrast. We cannot use therefore, since, hence, either, however, or but. The temperature felt more like November. However, the calendar claimed the month was May. Answer is the first option. 42. It has easy access to the highway. This house is on the best street in the neighborhood. Here, adding information, positive aspects. One is on the best street, the other, easy access to the highway. This house is on the best street in the neighborhood. Hence, no, though, no, but, still. Furthermore, this house is on the best street in the neighborhood. Furthermore, it has easy access to the highway. Answer is the fifth option. 43. The players were my heroes. My dad was my hero because he was the coach. The players were my heroes. Therefore, this seems so that no and no. The players were my heroes. Therefore, my dad my was hero because he was the coach. This is the right word. 44. And reduce their reliance on imported oil. Many governments intend to develop new energy efficient transportation technology. Already N has been given here. Many governments intend to develop new energy efficient transportation technology and reduce their reliance on imported oil. Yes, we should start with the second option, thus. Thus, many governments, we don't know the context, but if you start with this, you can get one sentence. Thus, many governments intend to develop new energy efficient transportation technology and reduce their reliance on imported oil. Answer is the second option. For the fact that they were wearing seat belts, they would have been badly injured. This context goes with everyday English, and there's one standard expression. But for the fact, but for the fact that. This is one standard expression. Based on that, answer is obviously the fifth option, but how does it go? They would have been badly injured, but for the fact that they were wearing seat belts. This is how the sentence has to go. There would have been possibility. They would have been badly injured, but for the fact that they were wearing seat belts. Answer is the fifth option. 46 to 50. You see a sentence with a blank, you have to select the right expression, not word. 46. The tunnel for extracting smoke and stale air and for infusing fresh air. It will have state-of-the-art monitoring and control systems for security. The tunnel will be choked for extracting smoke. It will have something for some purpose. What is the purpose? Extracting smoke and stale air and for infusing fresh air. We cannot use a negative word. We'll have forced ventilation. No. We'll have a corridor for extracting smoke and stale air and for infusing fresh air. This seems right. Make to prepare grammatically not correct. Answer is the fourth option. 47. When India's largest political party pursues such a strategy and finds it electorally rewarding it by other political parties, it may be rejected. No, we need a positive word. It may be emulated. Emulate means copy, positive connotation. May be ignored. No, may be protested. All these are negative, may be gone through. No. Answer is obviously the second option. When India's largest political party pursues such a strategy and finds it electorally rewarding, it may be emulated by other political parties. It may be copied by other political parties. Obviously, answer is the second option. 48. The argument for a uniform civil code in a modern nation state, as long as it is rational, non discriminatory, and promotes social equality and gender justice. The argument for a uniform civil code is invoking. Invoke goes with God's spirits, provoking, no, rescind, no, void, no, irrefutable, cannot be debated, irrefutable, cannot be questioned. The argument for a uniform civil code is irrefutable in a modern nation state as long as it is rational, non discriminatory, and promotes social equality and gender justice. Answer is the fifth option. The need. How many cases should be listed per day? The need to scientifically determine, this seems right, to thoroughly calculate, to drastically know, to completely estimate, to usually count. The need to scientifically determine how many cases should be listed per day cannot be stressed enough. It is not uncommon to see over 100 matters listed before a judge in a day. Scientifically determine. This is the answer. The last question. For courts in India, there must be a change in leadership, thought, and the willingness to seek help where it is evidently required. For courts in India to put in practice complete justice, You can hold it to dispose of the complete justice. Dispose of, not correct. To dispense speedy justice. Here, when we talk about courts in our country, lot of delay. Based on that also, speedy justice, hold the third option. To remove a course of injustice. No. To follow the path of injustice. Why will they do that? Answer is obviously the third option. For courts in India to dispense speedy justice, there must be a change in leadership thought and the willingness to seek help where it is evidently required. Answer is the third option. That's all about this paper. Thank you very much.